Hey friends, if you wish to fix Directx error in Modern Warfare 2, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now the first solution before anything else is to ensure that your system meets the minimum system requirements. So you can simply search for it on Google or Bing. The better part with Bing is that you'll get the results through Copilot itself. Now, the interesting part about the system requirements is that the space needed is 256 GB, which is huge. The processor requirements are not as high. I mean, all you need is a second generation i5, okay, which is pretty decent, or let's say a 10 generation i5, which is very decent. But the problem comes that you need 12 GB of RAM as recommended requirements, and 256 GB as HDD or SSD space. And if you're using an SSD, you may not have that space, so it depends. As for the video card, it has some specific requirements, and as far as you're using an average graphics card, dedicated graphics card, it should be good enough. So this is one part, and you have to meet these requirements. I will suggest buying a gaming PC for this. And once you meet these requirements, then check for the internet connection speed, because it should be good enough too. Go to fast.com and check if the internet speed is good enough, because you need a good enough internet speed for the job. The next solution is to update Windows. Why? Because if the DirectX was not updated, Windows Update will fix that. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side and click on check for updates in the right pane. The last solution is to download Directx. Simply search for download Directx in the Windows or Bing search bar and click on download here, and then select the language and click on download. And when you click on download, click on open, and it will install Directx on your system. I mean, obviously you have to go through the wizard and all, next, and it will start installing components. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.